Happy Tuesday. Get in here, get in here. Yeah, we're at the Tesla dealership on Arden. Look at this bot. This is a Tesla bot, aka Optimus. It's a humanoid robot designed to complete jobs that are repetitive, boring, or dangerous for humans. Wow, that's what you all have to look forward to. Isn't that cool? Ah! We have all the new Teslas, a Tesla truck.
To push it through, or we can just resubmit your info in an application and have it automatically.
So I am here today on Arden Way because the front right passenger, here I am.
Alright, so I've got you set up for Tuesday, October 7th at your house.
Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Tuesday, October 2nd. And they'll come to my house to fix it. So that's wonderful. All right.